Hello, everyone.
Hello, Mandy. How are you?
I'm good. You know, adjusting to life with 2 kids.
That's quite the adjustment.
Actually, I found it easier adjusting to having 2 children than I did when we brought our oldest home.
Oh, wow. When we had no babies and then had a baby, that's like the biggest adjustment. All of a sudden you have this
little person.
This little person that you have to bring everywhere, and no matter what, it's different. Like,
Was it inconvenient for you?
No, that's terrible.
Did you have to nurse and be up every other hour?
No, I didn't have to nurse. I just.
That'd be kind of awkward.
Yeah, that would be very awkward. A very furry encounter. That would be. I think the baby would be very confused. That would grow up to be a very confused baby. Hairball. A lot of hair.
How have you found adjusting to having 2 children now?
It's different. I don't mind having the 2 kids. Like you're saying, like it's definitely, like, it's not any different. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's really not any different, guys, because once you have one and then you have a second one, you're used to the routine.
Yes.
And we had them pretty close together. Yeah. So what happened is
2 under 2.
We were used to the no sleeping. We were used to the puddles and all that stuff.
The puddles?
The puddles. No, I said the bottles.
Oh, the bottles.
And like, also the diapers.
Potty training, there is puddles every once in a while.
I think if we would have waited till like Ella would have been
like
much older.
Or 5,
4 or 5 or something like that. Maybe it would have been a little different because then all of a sudden you're going back into the baby phase after you out of the baby phase.
Yeah.
But I just feel like it's one big roller coaster because we never ended the baby phase.
No, and I had kind of a tumultuous pregnancy too.
Oh,
with
Lord,
Emily.
Emily's
our second one.
Dramatic pregnant lady.
Dramatic.
Drama.
How was I?
I'm going into labor. Oh no, I'm not. I'm going into labor. No, I'm not. I had 3 or 4 months of this.
3 months.
3 months.
14 weeks to be exact.
14 weeks of, I think I'm having the baby. I think I'm not having the baby.
My obstetrician dubbed it as the worst case of Braxton Hicks ever.
Yeah.
And I was literally in and out. Yeah, at least once a week I was in the hospital.
Like even, guys, we were grocery shopping. You know, how inconvenient is this? We were grocery shopping, and it was so embarrassing because all of a sudden, we're in the checkout aisle, and Mandy is literally grabbing onto the side of the candy tray.
This is the week before she was born, so I was actually having some early labor stuff.
She's grabbing, and she's like squatting, so it looks like she's filling.
Not squatting. I was breathing through my contractions.
It looked like she was filling a diaper. Like that is like, when your child looks and they're filling it, that's what it looked like.
You know what?
And do you know, this is the traumatic part, is somebody, there's a couple that walked by, I was like, oh, that's that couple from TV. And I'm like, yeah, that's when we get spotted, when she's filling her diaper.
Filling my diaper. Trying to bring your unborn child into this world. I'm sorry, it was embarrassing.
No, it wasn't embarrassing. It was fine. I just took 2 steps ahead and pretended I didn't know you, and it was all good.
He's a peach in the delivery room, let me tell you this much. Although you were actually a trooper. I think I told you to shut up while I was in
Yes. We cheaped out on not having a doula this time. I think we're gonna have a doula again because
you can't handle the responsibility.
That mediator between the two is like, you're okay. She's gonna be okay. Don't worry, she'll go back to normal.
So really, the doula's more for you than for me.
It's that buffer. It's that insulation between the two frictions.
It's a filter.
It's a filter, that's what it is. Because then I would say something and then she would say it to you, but because it was coming from her and not me, it was better, It wasn't like, you did this to me. I was like more like, oh, you're a doula.
I didn't tell my doula to shut up.
No, you didn't. You were much nicer to her. I don't understand. I do not understand. But yeah, we literally were on a first name basis with nurses.
We were. It was great.
Sure.
But since I'm all happy, baby's home, I'm not pregnant anymore, I feel in the giving mood. We're giving away everyone in the audience these amazing pure 7-cup water filters. They're certified by the Water Quality Association. They remove 99% of the lead, 92% of pesticides, and 96% of mercury from your tap water.
Oh, wow.
Everyone in the audience is going home with them today. So thank you very much to Pure. We got lots of fun stuff today. We're going to start off by checking in with designer Lisa Clark, and she is touring a mudroom.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.